So I got the flight battery alarm working. It took a little doing here, and although it works, it's still not, the numbers aren't right, which is not a big bother when it's actually working, but setup is a little bit of a pain in the neck. So I got 14.84 volts showing here. In order for me to show that, I got a battery that's actually about 14.989 volts, so that's not too far off. 14.8 we'll call it. It's closer to 14.9. In order to make that reflect close to what the actual voltage was, I had to go over here into the Micro RX software and change this calibration from 100 to 130. At 100 it was showing about 12 point something or other volts when the battery was actually 15 or so. So changing this actually made this number jive up. But for me to make that alarm go off when my flight voltage is at about, I'm looking for 14.8, maybe just a tad under. Now normally you would go over in your transmitter software, remote config, and you would set your voltage alarm here, and you would put it at 148 for 14.8 volts. That won't work. That'll make it way low. The copter will fall out of the sky before that alarm goes off. So to set it off at 14.8, I got to actually put in like 19.2. The ratio isn't quite right. It'd be nice just to be able to punch that in there, say 14.8, okay, I know it's good, but you got to play around with the partially depleted battery to get. So my battery showing right now 14.8 is what it's showing right now, and according to this, that's somewhat accurate, not bad. So for me to make it go off at 14.8, I have to keep playing with this number. I'll set it to 19.1 volts, or 19.3 I mean. I'll set the level higher. So that's it. There's the low voltage alarm going off now. I don't know for sure if that would have started at 14.8 or 14.9. So I'm going to put this just a tad lower. 192. So that reduced the alarm level. The alarm's not going to go off for, well, we'll see. I'm looking around 14.8. That'll give me a first alarm. Time for me to travel back to where I'm at and land before the onboard LiPo alarm goes off. That's my goal anyway. Since I can't hear the LiPo from far, and my voltage readings in tower and mission planner are never, they're accurate when it's sitting on the ground, but when it's in the air, its voltage readings are way off. It thinks it's a lot lower than it is. So that's just a little issue. Like I say, once you get it all set up, these numbers don't really bother you at all. You know, the alarm goes off, it works, it's good. It just makes setup a little more tedious because you got to have a battery that's already at about the depleted voltage you're going to want. So a minor issue, but an issue it is, and we can live with it. But that's where I'm at with the flight alarm on the DragonLink unit. I'm quite happy that it works. It sure saves me having to always keep it close so I can hear the LiPo alarm. I can't count on the voltage monitor in through the Arducopter stuff. So this is what we got, and it'll work for me. So there we go. Thanks. Bye.